Hello students, today we will implement the practical of pattern magic concepts, delete command and drop command. So let's start the practical implementation. So very first we have to open the database. So by use command we can open the database. So use school is my database name, so database change. Okay, now after that we have to open the table. We have to display the table. Select star from table name is student. Select star from student. So now here you can see that this is my table, student table. Here 5 records are present. Okay, now students, I will tell you today that how we can access a record according to the pattern matching. Okay, so class, I told you in earlier virtual class that we can access a record in pattern matching concept with the use of the like keyword, and with like keyword we will use the two wild characters percentage symbol and underscore symbol. So here I am giving the example, and with the use of example I will clarify everything to you. Okay, so you can you know that by using the select command we can access the record, and now today we will access the record according to the pattern matching concept. So now student, I want to access a record whose name start with n character. Okay, so what command I have to write? So select star from table name is student. So student, select star from student where s name like like. Now after like we have to mention our condition. So I want to access the name of those students whose name start with n characters. So I told you that percentage symbol is used for such type of searching. So I want to display the name of those students whose name start with n. Okay, so I have to apply the percentage symbol after the character. Okay, because I want to search the record whose name start with percentage symbol, so I will put the percentage symbol at the end of the character, and now you can see that it will show the result to the those students whose name start with n character. Okay, now in the same manner, if you want to access the record of those students whose name start with m character, so in place of n we will write the m. Now you can check that only those records are present here whose name start with m character. Okay students, now after that if I want to display the record whose name ends with RA characters, okay, whose ending characters are RA. So what we have to write, students? I told you that if you want to search the record whose name end with the specific character, then you have to apply the percentage symbol before that character. Okay, and now I want that the records of those students whose name end with RA character. Okay, now you can see here two records I got in output, Myra and Naira. Okay, because both names are ending with R and A character. Okay students, if you want to access a record whose name ending with the specific character, so that specific character, before that specific character you have to mention the percentage symbol, just like you have mentioned here the ending character will be RA, so you have to put the percentage symbol before the character. And if you want to search the records whose name start with the specific character, so you have to mention the percentage symbol after that specific character. Okay, so in the same manner, by using the underscore symbol, how we can access a record, students? So when you will access a record with the use of the percentage symbol, then there is no compulsion of how many character in the name, only you are mentioning that the here you are mentioning only the starting character will be M. Okay, starting character should be M of those name, and the name can be contain how many letters in it. Okay, so now in the next you have mentioned that the name ends with RA, and the name can be contain any characters, any number of characters, but with underscore we have to mention the number of characters. Okay, you can see here that with like we can use the underscore symbol also. So class, if I want to access the records of those students whose name contains only 4 characters, so you have to press 4 time underscore symbol. Okay, so now when you will execute this command, then what will happen? So the records of those students will show you whose names can contain only 4 characters. So in Myra and Naira, name can contain only the 4 characters. So if you want to if you want to give the exact number of characters, then you have to use underscore symbol in place of percentage. Okay, so here you have mentioned the underscore symbol 4 times. Okay students, here I have used the underscore symbol 4 times, but it's showing you the fill-ups. Okay, but when you will use this now, then it is clarified to you. You have to use underscore symbol, not the dash symbol. So you have to use the minus key with shift key, then it will apply the underscore symbol. Okay, so now the next query that I want to access the record of those students uh, whose name can contain only 3 underscore symbol. Okay, so I am putting here 1 2 3 3. Okay, so 1 I have delete, so enter. Only one name is here, Maya, whose name contain 3 characters, so only this record is showing us as an output. Okay, now students, if I want to search the record whose name can contain mm, whose name can contain the second character Y, whose name contain the second character Y, first character can be any character. So in place of first character I am writing the underscore, I am putting the underscore, and I want the second character should be Y. Second character should be Y, and now after that I will apply the percentage symbol. Then now you can see here that 4 records are displaying as an output, whose name second character should be Y, and the first character can be any character M or N. Okay, so in this manner students, you can access the record by using the pattern matching commands. Okay, now I am telling you one more command by using this, so you can see here students. Now I am removing the percentage symbol from here, and I want to access the record whose name can contain 2 character. Here second character should be Y, but the first character can be any character. So when I will implement this command, it will show you the empty set. It means there is no name here whose contains 2 characters. Okay, because the minimum characters name is Maya, whose contains 3 characters in itself. Okay, so according to the query, there is no record whose second character is Y, and it's of total 2 characters name, and first character may be any character. Okay, so it will show you the message that empty set, there is no such type of record in the table. Okay, in the student table. Now student, after that I will introduce with the delete and drop command. Okay, so students, you know that delete command is used to remove the records from the table, and you can delete the records if you want to delete the all records from the table, then you can do so, and if you want to delete only the specific records from the table, then you can do with the use of the where keyword. So I am giving the example in both styles to you students. Okay, so you can see here that delete firstly I will tell you deletion of records with condition. Okay, delete from table name. From which table you want to delete the record? Student table. Delete from student where RNO. I am applying the condition on the RNO field. So RNO equals to 102. I want to delete the record whose roll number is 102. So enter query. Okay, one row affected means one row is deleted. So now you can check your table that how many records are present. Select star from table name is student. Okay, now you can check here only 4 records are exist here. One record is deleted. Which record is deleted? Whose roll number is 102. So roll number 102 record is not present here, not exists in the student table currently. Okay, now if you want to delete the all records, then you have to apply the command delete from table name. So by using this command, in one go the all records of the table will be deleted. But when you will delete the record by using the delete command, then the structure of the table will be exist in the database. Okay, so you can check it. So now I am deleting the all records of the table. Okay, query. Okay, 4 affected means 4 rows are deleted because only 4 rows are exist in the student table. So now you can check, select star from student. Now here is no record, empty set. The message is showing on the screen that empty set, there is no record, but the structure is existing. You can check the table structure by using the desc command with student table name. Now you can check here the structure is remaining now, structure is existing now. So by using the structure, what you can do, you can use the directly insert into command and you can insert the new record in the table. Okay, so here I am inserting the one record 101 comma, now name I want to insert Hema, then comma, now after that fee, so I am inserting here 28,000. Now next is a city, so Alwar. Okay, now in this manner I can insert the one record in the table, students. Okay, so